I'm Jonah Quinton, I'm a sales apprentice from Leonardo, and today we have what we call MADI, which is the mechanically assisted drug delivery. Where this idea came from was that one of the people who did the software in our team, he's got a sister who's got neurodegenerative disease, and so the way she tries to sort of alleviate that pain is by taking medication. This medication though needs to be taken on the hour, so you can't delay it by 30 minutes, it has to be taken straight away. This is the design we have. Essentially it's just a 3D printed box which has got a lid on which you just easily take off. Inside you have a carousel and it uses a small motor inside called a stepper motor, and it just twists it by one tiny little step, and then it will then dispense it out automatically. It's all programmed by a little box. It's got a GUI on it. It allows you to select the time of day and go, okay, I want it to be dispensed at 8 AM or 9 PM. And what it will do is then it has a pop inside, it will then dispense it, give you an auditory beep, let you know it's been taken, put down into it, and then you just leave it. And it will do that every time.